Miguel. No good. Nakakuha ni Japs. 2 points Aldejos. 6-2. Nice. 3 points. 6-5. Steal by Gel. Up. Buti, nakalak yan. Okay, game. Rebound by Domingo. Naka-shoot, pre. 6-7. Three minutes, 20 seconds. Two points, CN. 8-7. John, 2 points. 8-9. Pre, lumapit ko si Sir Nino dito. Ha? Nagbayad. Sino? Si Nino. Nino? Yung matanda. Ano? Score 8-11. Ha? May isang game pa, pre. Nico.
Ilan yung kalaban?
Ha?
Ilan yung kalaban?
Nakashoot ba sila? Okay. Score 8-11 na 1 minute 50 seconds. Wala. Nice D by Siles. Cipriano, no good. Cipriano, 2 points. 8-13. (10-13), last 1 minute. Last 38 seconds. Okay, labas na muna, foul ka. 25 seconds, 14 to shoot. 25 seconds, 14 to shoot. seconds, 8 to shoot. Last 16 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh, foul, tumawag. 6 seconds, 6 seconds. 6 seconds, 6 seconds. 2.9 seconds. 2.9. 2.9. And counted.
Ayan na.
10-16.
Hindi,
16. 13 kayo galing. 10-16. Bola nila Jeff.
Ay, bola.
Yung kanila. Mahaba pa ako ha. Nasa? Sabay? Okay. Kanila. Okay, game! Para may isang game pa. Okay, 2 points. 16-12. Blanca. Wala. Nakakuha ni Jel. 8 seconds. O, foul daw. Labas muna, labas. Nice pick by Jel. Libre. Touch. 3. 19-12. Five minutes, 16 seconds remaining. Jel, 2 points. Grabe. Pumupoto ang Team Jel. 21-12. Siyam ang kalamangan. Dito ka ba matatalo sa championship round? Jeff. Nice pass to CM. 12 seconds. CM. Wala. Rebound by Jobs. Ace 2 by Jobs. 21-14. Okay, last touch by Mel. Last touch by Mel. Sinundot ni Mel eh. 4 minutes, 6 seconds, 8 to shoot. Jump. Libre. 21-16. 5 na lang po, 5 na lang ang hinahabol. Sakto yata to. Patay kayo diretso. 3 points by Jel. 24-16. Jel, no good. 2 points, Alejos. 24-20, last 3 minutes. Okay, traveling. Travel. 2 minutes, 38 seconds. bitawan na kasi kinapitan niya uli. Eight seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Sakto pa. 26-20. Mahaba pa oras sa 2 minutes 5 seconds. Miguel, 2 points. 28-20, last 2 minutes. Two points. 28-22. One minute 35 seconds. 10 to shoot. 30-22. 1 minute 21 seconds. Iwas lang po tayo ha. 30-22. 30-24. Muntikan ka na. 1 minute 2 seconds. 16 to shoot. 58 seconds. 12 to shoot. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 42 seconds. 36 seconds. 29 seconds, 15 to shoot. Bad pass by Jel. 24 seconds. 30, 28, 21 seconds. Okay. Foul counted, all 30. One free throw.
Walang foul. Dito mawag.
Hindi, kita naman eh.
Di ba counted lang yun?
May pushing eh.
Hindi counted lang yun.
Two free throws plus one.
Hindi mo pumasok.
Shoot, fresh.
Oh, mag-complete mo ka?
Hindi, one lang. One free throw lang. Wait lang ha. All 30 ha, all 30.
Look.
One free throw. Meron yan. Both teams may dalawang timeout ha. Okay, save ball. Last touch si Jeff. Wait lang. Wait. Sundot dito bola. Pero palabas doon unless magta-timeout kayo.
Timeout.
Okay, timeout daw sila. Advance. Ano, papaliwanag ko ha. 19.8 seconds, 14 to shoot. Naka-advance sila ha. No need to foul. May isang game pa yan, Justin. 19.8 seconds ha. Oh, wait lang daw, wait. Nasa labas pa si Jeff. Oo. Last, na kasi siya? Last one. 19.8. All 30. Okay, game ha? Pre, dito bola. Dito. Wala tayong 5 seconds ha, 15 seconds, 8 to shoot. Okay, foul. 2 free throws, 12.3 seconds. 2 free throws. 12.3. May isa pa kayong timeout. Meron pa silang dalawa, ha? Timeout? Okay. Pag hindi, wala. Ha? Timeout pa rin pag nakuha? Okay. First shot is good. Last shot. 12.3, ha? 12.3. Naka-timeout sila, ha? Hindi ka pwede time out. Sa kanila dapat. Wait. Okay, time out.
Ay, magkano ba?
Wait lang, wait.
Magkano ba?
Wait lang. 12.3.
Mel, press Mel.
Okay, yung bola dito, ha, dito. Thirty-two, 30, ha, 32. 32-30. 10 seconds. Yung sumundot, yun yung may foul. Crossing. Dito bola. 7.5. May timeout pa kayo isa. May isa. Okay.
Yes!
Okay, last shot. Last shot. Wait lang, manipis masyado. 2 points lang. Dito bola.
Manipis na naman lang sa mga eh. Hindi na, manipis pa.
Ha? Ay, sorry naman, hindi ko na ano.
Final decision na, reference decision is final.
All.
Time out tayo.
All.
Ayun lang.
2.2 seconds, ha? May acting kasi gumanon siya eh. Advance nyo, pre, advance. Dito.
Wala.
Wala pa.
Counted lang yung
Counted lang. 2 free throws.
Dito.
2.2, ha? 2.2.
Sabay na.
First to shoot, not counted. 2 seconds lang yun, mahaba yung masyado. Pa-jumble.
Yun o.
Hindi ah. Tingnan mo po. 47 to. Game, pa-jumble. First to shoot.
Second to shoot.
Hindi, first to shoot lang. Okay, pa-jumble na lang po. First to shoot. Wala pa. Kinuha niya dito eh. Okay, labas lang. Pushing. Labas lang, walang free throw, labas lang. First to shoot lang tayo. Wala nang free throw yan. Seconds. Okay, labas lang.